Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a leave policy here in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, you'll need to log into your admin account. And once done, go to the top right and click on the gear icon beside your profile. Click on it. And in here, just go ahead and go to Leave Tracker. Click on it. And once done, go to Leave Policy in this panel. Click on it. Now go ahead and add in your own leave policy. Or you can go ahead and select from the policy gallery right here. Okay. As you can see, we have a ton of options. If not, you can go ahead and add in yours. Add leave policy. Now go ahead and choose the leave entitlement type. Okay, could be fixed entitlement, experience-based entitlement, grant-based entitlement, or attendance-based entitlement. Okay, let's say I'm just going to go ahead and select a fixed entitlement right here and hit on next. Now you can go ahead and give it a name. For example, sick leave. All right, code right here, maybe SL. Is it paid or not paid? Okay. Unit, it could be days or hours. Effective after. For example, you'd like this specific policy to be available for all of your employees. Okay. Maybe one of your employees just started working for you maybe just yesterday. Okay. You can go ahead and add in days right here. 0 days from date of joining or date of confirmation. Okay. Entitlement credit right here. Maybe credit 2 days yearly on 1st of January or monthly. Okay. Reset yearly and add in a description. Now you can go ahead and select the validity date, for example, starting tomorrow, and it will expire on the last day of the year. All right. And once that's done, just click on next. Now here we have the applicability, and this one is applicable to who? Employee right here, all employees, or you can go ahead and add in a criteria, genders, or per department, per designation, per role. Maybe roles right here. I'm just going to go ahead and select all roles. And then if you want to, you can go ahead and add in exceptions. If not, just hit on next. And here we have the restriction page. You can go ahead and edit this one depending on your organization's preferences. Okay, I'm just going to leave it to you. But once you're done with this one, you can go ahead and click on add right here. Just click on confirm. Wait for the process to finish. And here we have the sick leave. All right. I hope this video helps. And I'll see you in the next one.